Hi guys. So got the gears in, carrier in. Just waiting on to pick up a couple cotter pins and torque the nuts. Uh, Turns out the shift fork detents were turned in all the way for some reason, and they were stuck pretty good. So I had to massage that, get the forks to work. It seems to be okay right now. We'll see when we run it on the stand. Hopefully in a week or so, less than a week. I'm going to run this thing. Um, Hopefully by the end of the weekend. And here we have, oh, just wanted to point this out. Thanks to Brian Williams for sending me a brand new Williams engine sticker. Man, it looks good on there. Thanks, Brian. And then we have this water pipe, and it's 1.5 inch diameter, which is a quarter inch too big. And I sort of knew what we were dealing with here because they had this all jammed in and it just wasn't right. So I got to find a 1.25 diameter to match this side, and because that's all the hose I got was 1.25. And we'll go from there. She's coming along. It's a slow project, man. Hi guys. So just want to give a quick update. Thank you for donating to the GoFundMe if you did. Just to show you it's not smoke and mirrors. I was able to purchase some hoses so I can get going on the plumbing of the one side. Maybe work on the right side a little bit, even though I think it's close. And got a resistor, some stuff to hook up the throttle cable, and next will be onto these calipers, which I think are junk because I blew one apart and it's all pitted and rusted. So I may just use the funds, some of the funds, to buy a new set of calipers because I don't want to go trying to rebuild these. They are really nasty. So just letting everybody know that your donations are going to a great cause, and she's coming along. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Hey, guys. Just wanted to say thanks to everybody for your support and donations and everything else to try and get me into this car or help me into this car. It's just mind-blowing, whether it's 3 people, 3,000 people, it doesn't matter. It's just, I just want to say a heartfelt thank you for, whether it was financial or just offering words of encouragement or, hey, I'll do this for you. I really, really, really super appreciate everybody. Power on.